Hello everybody. Okay, see you again with me, Mr. Moyadi. And this time I gonna draw the illustration that get the example from the photo. And this one I have Conte, and this one eraser, and this Duso. Okay, if you don't have Conte or Duso, you can use just normal pencil. Okay, this beautiful girl, very attractive. Here I gonna start from the nose first. Okay, here draw with a light tone first before you sure the shape is correct. Here now I gonna draw the right eyes. Yeah, because I gonna focus to draw the right eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Okay, later I gonna cover some part of the eyes with the curtain here, and then this is down of the eyes, this is the all eyes, and this is already I get the sketch already. Now I dark it. Okay, I dark it the upper part of the eyes, the eyelash area, and then I make the highlight, and then I draw the pupil, and then shadow the iris, and also I shadow the highlight with the shadow of the eyelash here. That is not really difficult, you can try. Okay, here, because this is the drawing for illustration or for the story, so I will not make it similar. Okay, I just get the figure from this photo. And this one is the eyebrow. The eyebrow, I draw the shadow first before I draw the short line for the hair. Okay, for the short hair. Actually I like this beautiful photo. Yeah, so I want my drawing is same like that the girl on the photo. Here I try to shadow it, and be careful when you shadow it. You can please don't press too hard. You can press too hard for some part, like the darkest area, like the whole of the nose, yeah, the corner, or yeah, the strong line here, the strong line there. Yeah. Okay, now I shadow it that I told you, don't press too hard. Okay, and I measure for the mouth area now. Here, don't too far. Okay, should be a bit short to the nose, and this mouth letter V and slanting down like that on the right, and the left's a bit short because it's facing to the left. Okay, here the sexy mouth. I like this mouth. When you like the model, you will do the best. Okay, right? Okay, here I shadow it. Okay, while you shadow the mouth area, I just want to tell you I have 5 video tutorial in my channel. Just click the portrait drawing in my in my YouTube channel, Sangga Lukis Pelangi, and I draw the chin now. Before that I measure it, even I measure it for the face position. Okay, and I gonna cover this part with the curtain. Okay, this is the solution. Actually, this is the solution if you don't want to draw all the figure, right? You just cover with something like this. I don't want to draw the hair same like the photo. I cover with the curtain. Okay, so it will look different. Yeah, here I draw the face. Okay, carefully. Yeah, and this one the fold of the curtain. This drawing will be so attractive because I gonna put some a drama situation there. Okay, you can do also. Yeah. And time to do finishing touch. Oh yeah, the hairline first. Yeah, draw the hairline first before you complete with the shadow with the short line. It is common, common. There is many tutorial in my channel, so if you are a subscriber of my channel, you used to do that, okay? Because I do so many drawing for tutorial. And this is the hair. I make it the hair different, okay? Yeah. Here. Yeah, I try to make it similar the face. Yeah. The face, if the face too like this, the chin too long, I make it short. I try to smudge with the finger now. If you don't like to smudge with finger, you can use cotton or cotton bud or any soft thing, okay? But for me, I like to use my finger to smudge. Because of what? Because this drawing is not really big, so my finger is enough to smudge for the big area. Yeah, but be careful when you smudge. Cannot touch the detail like the eyes, okay, the lip. Yeah, the eyes later I gonna smudge with the dousel, okay, after this. And after smudge, some part of the line is gone, right? Some part of the line is fade, so you have to fix again. You dark again with your pencil or charcoal. Yeah, here the lip. Okay. Actually portrait drawing is not really difficult if you practice every day. Here I use dousel to smudge the detail, because the dousel is so pointy. Okay, if not really pointy, you can sharp again with the cutter, okay, and make it pointy. And this one I try to shape the detail with the dousel. When you use the dousel, you have to be careful also. If you need dark, you can press too hard. If you just need medium, don't press too hard. Just that. It's same like you use pencil. And this one is medium, don't press too hard. Okay? If you press too hard, it will be messy. Yeah? It will be dirty. Especially in this part, you have to do careful. Yeah. Here you can press, but in this part, you have to do careful. Don't press too much. And this one I press a bit only to make it different, the shadow of the eyes here. Okay. Well, yeah, I just want to tell you the drawing is need more time to do, like finishing touch to make it more beautiful or more realistic. Okay, so I only have around 12 minutes to do, so I will not make it perfect, because actually I just want to show you how to draw and blend and shade the beautiful drawing. For the realistic one, you can finishing by yourself. Okay, my drawing is not time-lapse, so I hope you able to follow. Okay, here I smudge. Okay, if you smudge carefully and look at the detail, look at the light position, the result will be so realistic. That is the tip from me. Okay, here again and again you look at the likeness of your drawing and compare with the photo, right? Yeah. Okay, later I need your comment, yeah, if you like my drawing and if you can follow successfully. Please put your comment on my comment in YouTube channel. Okay, I think that is my tutorial. Okay, don't forget to follow the other video, and I really happy if you can draw nicely. Okay, thank you very much and success for you.